Do you cough into the right spot? Having good form and teaching good form could keep you and those around you healthier this cold and flu season. Here this morning with all of this is about Cough Spot. Joining me are creator Denise Seeley and nurse Jennifer Carlson. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to have you here. It's so important this time of year, isn't it?
It is definitely, especially at flu season.
Oh my, you walk through the store, you're in an office someplace, and people they're coughing and coughing and coughing, and you don't know where to run. And many, you really don't.
There's nowhere to run.
There's no place to run, and many don't have the right form. I mean, as kids, you're always taught to cough like that. A lot of people don't do it.
That's right. That's true.
So that's kind of where this program kind of got started, right?
That's right. And we have a new program. This is our 4th award from the National Network of Libraries of Medicine, and it's called Cough Etiquette. And so we want to promote proper coughing in your elbow and sneezing in your elbow. And we've expanded. We have some new partners. We're working with Special Olympics, the Young Athletes Program, and we're at the TF Green Airport. So if you travel, you'll find the posters and the brochures and the tattoos available so that you can either remind someone to cough on their elbow or just learn a little bit more. But we also work with the schools.
Which is so important. I mean, anybody who has kids, one kid gets sick in school and it goes through a school like crazy. So that's why you as a nurse see it all the time, I'm sure.
Absolutely. And we encourage using, I've just started using this program this year. We found out about it last year. And it is a wonderful way to promote healthy habits with the etiquette of using, properly using your elbow for your coughs. So it's really wonderful and it's very catchy. It's a wonderful program to introduce to the young students.
For a lot of people who may be watching, they're thinking, okay, I know how to cough into my elbow. A lot of people don't, though. So let's go through this. Let's pretend. And what is the best way to do this?
Yeah. You raise your arm, you bend your elbow, and cough right in your elbow.
And really cover everything.
As much as you can.
Because what a lot of people don't realize is when you cough, it travels a long distance.
It does, and you can just wipe the snot and all the germs off your arm later. Or do some laundry. Who doesn't love laundry?
Who doesn't love laundry? Now, we want to show everybody, you also have a video message to go along with it. We want everybody to check it out. All good information, right? Also washing your hands, making sure your hands are clean, making sure you spend enough time washing your hands as well, not just passing it through.
That's correct, yes.
And one of the things you have a little tattoo on your arm. That's for kids to show them exactly where to cough, right?
That's their cough spot. That's the new cough spot logo. And we haven't named the pup yet, so we were figuring that if anyone wanted to, if you guys wanted to send us ideas for the puppy's name, then we would love it. So send us your ideas.
Talk about the success of this program and what kids really can take. Kids and adults. I mean, let's be honest. There are a lot of adults who don't get it.
Anyone can can be taught how to do this because it is not something that we just do automatically. Although we're going to work towards that.
Right.
So basically, for me, I went into the classrooms. We have 3 of them, and I just introduced the program. I was able to ask the children, up front, how would they cough or sneeze? And so you have a plan to notice the children, do they know what they're doing? And at the end, to see that they do.
Well, it is all good information because this is the time of year that this happens. Ladies, thanks so much for coming in. And to show your friends and family how to use the Cough Spot, just head on over to Roadshow.com.